I'll show you how to turn off daily screen time on the TikTok app. Let's jump in. Now, I'm on my iPhone, but you can do the same steps on Android. Keep in mind there are two different places. One is in the app, and the second one is in the settings. We'll turn them both off. Now, the first option is to get into the settings of your TikTok app. Within the settings, you'll be able to see that there's an option that says time and well-being, and it will track your screen time. Now, there could potentially be a screen time limit for each day. In this case, it's set for 1 hour. All I have to do is toggle this off, and then I'll be able to use it as much as I want. However, keep in mind there might be some other places that set a screen time limit. On your phone, you might also want to check in the settings as well. Let's go to screen time because there is an option that says app limits, and potentially TikTok is on here that will set a limit of 1 hour. Even though it's set as no limit in the app, it might override it because there's a limit set in the settings. So you want to make sure both of those are turned off on your iPhone or Android.